This is an exercise about a wildlife population. In fact, it's about a zebra population. A game warden catches, tags, and then releases 15 zebras. A month later, a sample of 20 zebras is collected and 6 of them have tags. Use this information to estimate the size of the zebra population in that area. Well, let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem. First of all, let's let the letter P represent the zebra population. Now, the problem tells us that the ratio of zebras tagged to the total population then is 15 to P. And of the 20 zebras that were caught later, 6 were tagged, so that ratio was 6 to 20. And we can use these two ratios to write a proportion. Let's do that in the translate step. We have a proportion, the number of zebras originally tagged, which is 15, to the total population P should be the same as the ratio of the number of zebras caught later to, or the number of tagged zebras caught later to the number of zebras caught later. So these were the originally tagged zebras. This is the entire population. This is the tagged zebras caught later. And this is the number of zebras caught later. And we have then a proportion, 15 over P equals 6 over 20, that we can solve. And let's do that in the third step of the process. We're solving this proportion, and to do that we begin by multiplying both sides by the denominators P times 20. So I'll have 20P times 15 over P equals 20P times 6 over 20. And when I do these multiplications on the left-hand side, I get 300. And on the right-hand side, I have 6P. And now dividing both sides by 6, I have 50 is equal to P. And let's check that to see if it seems like a correct solution. One way that we can check is just to compare these two ratios that we were working with. 15 over P is 15 over 50, and that's equivalent to 0.3 in decimal notation. And the other ratio, 6 over 20, is also equivalent to 0.3. So because the ratios are the same, we're certain that we have a correct solution to the problem, and that lets us state the solution. We say the zebra population is 50.